Here we've got a 2004, 2005 Subaru STI or WRX headlight. Now, if you got a WRX, we can add the OEM Matsushita ballasts down below, make it 100% plug and play. If you send us your STI lights, likely we'll just recommend some new bulbs that'll match up with the projectors. A lot of the bulbs on these 04, 05 headlights are definitely worn down. A lot of owners keep them, but they definitely need to be changed out if you want to maximize performance on this projector conversion. Now, these are the G5-BRT Bixenon projectors. We can retrofit other projectors, but these are one of the strongest units that we offer, and they are very popular for a good reason. They have great performance, great beam spread, nice color at the cutoff line, and it's a full-size unit that fits in here. The amber's been removed out of these lights, but we can retain it. We can add halos, demon eyes, custom match lenses, whatever you're looking for. Let us know. Reach out to info@lightwerkz.net. Check out the website. We'll be happy to go over your options with you. Thanks again. Have a great day, and please hit that subscribe button to stay tuned for updates. Take care.